जो
ऐसे करना होता है भाई।
सेट किया हुआ
अरे तो कैंसिल कर उसको।
है 2 मिनट लगेगा।
नहीं ना, आप 2 मिनट रुकाओ ना उनको। अगर इधर ही है।
आज
ऐसे करना होता है भाई। थ्री, टू, ऊपर जाना है। चलो।
Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel Travel with Sid. This is my first moto vlog and we are heading to Kolhapur. So our final destination is Goa. But for today we are covering 403 kilometers. That's from Mumbai to Kolhapur, and it will take us around 12 hours in total to reach our destination. We are currently somewhere in Panvel. As you saw in the last clip, we just passed by the Orient Mall, and here I am asking Abhishek to record. I just wanted to see how is the POV looking and plan things accordingly. The reason I'm posting Abhishek's POV right now is because I haven't mounted my GoPro yet on my helmet, which I'll be doing on the next pit stop. And we are heading to the next pit stop, that will be our lunch break, where I'll be mounting my GoPro. As you can see, I just passed by from the other lane and Abhishek is waiting here in the bike lane. There were other riders who had joined us until Lonavala, and as you can see, there's one Himalayan along with us. How are you liking this POV? Let me know in the comments of the Himalayan 450. This is our first ride together. So me and Ashutosh have been riding since a long time. But with Abhishek after Ladakh, this is my first ride. And we all are really excited to ride together. And Abhishek is always giving me a flyby. Look at this. This is what road rash looks like in real life. And this was our first pit stop actually. Before the lunch break, we had been waiting here to have the sugarcane juice and where I mounted my GoPro. So this is my POV. You will be watching me ride the bike from here on with the GoPro mounted on it. Wow, this is so much fun. Empty roads in the afternoon. The purpose we left on this time was to avoid the peak traffic. There were two options: either wake up early and leave at 4 5 in the morning, or leave in the afternoon and ride till midnight. We chose the second option because we thought that we would rest and then we would leave as everyone is working. Look at the curves. It's so much fun to ride on this ghat. We are heading towards Lonavala, and we finally found an empty road after exiting the peak Mumbai traffic. This is my third time riding on this road, and it still feels like the first time. You might be wondering I am riding alone here because these guys are a little ahead of me, and you know, when riders get such roads you can't stop them, and they are way ahead of me, so I'm just catching up with them. Also, the bikes for today are Himalayan 450, Super Meteor 650, and I'm riding the Himalayan 411. This was something that I shouldn't have done. I realized it later. Shouldn't have done the overtaking from the left side. Look at this guy, look at this guy, the way he is driving. It was totally unexpected, but I didn't waste time arguing with him. Instead, I just left from there because I wanted to catch up with my guys and not make them wait there for me. And that was too risky of him driving that way. This XUV guy is not letting me go, neither is going ahead. I was just waiting for the right time to find a spot to overtake him, and I finally found one. This was too steep. I don't know if you can figure that out from the video. So I've added a voiceover to this vlog because this was my very first time using the GoPro and moto vlogging. So I wasn't sure if everything is being recorded perfectly, so I wasn't speaking much. But in the rest of the vlogs that will be coming up, you will be able to see me communicating with you guys while riding the bike. So these guys were waiting for me, and now we are all together riding towards Lonavala. Look at the beauty of Indian roads. Alright, so we are finally entering the Lonavala. That was the expressway on your left. And we all will be shooting some video on 360 here, Insta 360.
चालू है चलो चले
Now just look at Abhishek. So we are ascending towards the top, and whenever you are in Lonavala you will always see monkeys. Never ever forget to say hi to them. From here on we found a completely empty road, and I just thought to take over and speed up for some time. But I was loving the curves here, and I was trying to enjoy them instead of speeding on them. And we are at the top. Do let me know how many of you all know this place or have been to a halt here to eat Maggie. This is my one of the favorite spots in Lonavala. We are just 10 minutes away from our lunch spot, and Ashutosh is trying to set his Insta 360 while
done wow
just decided to take over a bit and speed up on the spot, as I was really enjoying, and I was missing to ride like this. And here we are at our lunch destination. I can't see Ashutosh.
what's up we are at Capcut Lonavala first stop for the day, many more to go. Yeah, yes.
ये दिल पे दिखा कैसे दिखा रहा है मैंने 12:40 आ रहा 12 घंटा 40 मिनट है कि वो.
So guys, this is the end of part 1. If you have watched it till here, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.